Welcome to the Decision Makers Workflow Overview, built inside N8N to automate lead enrichment at scale. The process begins by scraping company data from Clutch.co, a platform that features business reviews and service providers. In this step, here we will store the company name and LinkedIn company URL, both of which are obtained by scraping Clutch.co. Let's start the workflow. Once the initial data is collected, we use an if node to check whether the company has a LinkedIn URL. If a LinkedIn profile exists, the company record is stored in Airtable. In the HTTP node named scrapeclutch.co, you can see details like the company name, description, and other relevant information. Within the JSO section of this node, we are specifically targeting digital marketing companies. After this, if node checks company LinkedIn URL is available. Now, we store only the company name and the LinkedIn company URL in the Airtable. Now it's time to trigger our second workflow. From there, we manually trigger the enrichment process using a checkbox in Airtable. Let's select the first one. When the checkbox is clicked, it activates a webhook that sends the specific record ID into the workflow. Here you can see this workflow. Verified, all the decision maker information is inserted back into Airtable, giving us a clean, enriched list of high-quality contacts ready for outreach. The row ID flows into the getlinkedin.com URL node, where we retrieve the company info from Airtable, which you can see in the output section. Proceed to the next node, LinkedIn Company Scraper, where we extract data from a company's LinkedIn page. You can view all the scraped data in the output section. Next, we clean the scraped content by removing all HTML tags. From there, we identify and extract the company's official website URL by analyzing the scraped data. Inside the message section, the property called content, there you will find the company's official webpage URL. In the following step, industry plus location, we pull out the company's industry type and location. Here you can see the city called Arlington, state Virginia, country United States, and the industry type is advertising services. Once the company data is enriched, we move on to the LinkedIn Employees Scraper, where we scrape all available employees from the company profile. We then clean the data by removing unnecessary fields like follower and location. Here we filter out duplicate entries and irrelevant records. For example, if an employee appears more than once, or if the record is missing a name, lacks verification, or has an undefined role, we discard that data. After filtering, we convert the employee data into JSO format for processing. The next step is the bulk email finder. Here, we input both the company name and each employee's full name into the system. Using this information, the tool searches for and retrieves verified email addresses specifically linked to those decision makers. This helps us quickly identify the best points of contact within each company without manual lookup, ensuring we are reaching out to the right people with valid email addresses. We wait for about a minute while the email results are generated. Once the emails are ready, they're downloaded as a CSV file containing all the verified email addresses. In the next step, the CSV to list verified only node, we merge this CSV data with the original employee JSO that we created earlier. By combining these two data sources, we generate a complete and enriched dataset. This includes not just the email address, but also the employee's full name, company name, a personalized context line, and their LinkedIn profile URL. This enriched output gives us all the key information needed to run highly personalized and targeted outreach campaigns. Next, We use a split-out node to extract only the verified leads. We streamline the data and prepare a clean list of high-quality leads ready to be inserted into our Airtable database. Finally, all the verified decision-maker information is inserted back into Airtable, neatly organized with details like first name, last name, email address, job title, time at company, and company name. Each lead is also tagged with a lead status, so you can easily track whether they've been enriched and are ready for outreach. By automating this entire process, your team can focus less on manual research and more on meaningful conversations that move the needle. This entire workflow is fully automated, ensuring you get accurate, verified leads without any manual effort. Whether you're running cold email campaigns, booking sales calls, or building prospect lists, this system gives you a strong foundation for scaling your sales pipeline. It's fast, reliable, and highly customizable, making it perfect for agencies, sales teams, and growth marketers who want to stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching.